This presentation will be on return on investment and how it applies to instructional design methods and e-learning in educational fields. Return on investment, or ROI, is defined in many ways throughout the educational field, but as it relates to instructional design, it is defined by Reiser and Dempsey in the 2018 edition of Trends and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology as an economic indicator that compares earnings or net benefits to investment and is expressed as a percentage. ROI equals gain or return over cost in the equation form. Return on investment is commonly used within instructional design and the educational field in order to evaluate overall program investments and opportunities. Some of the most common uses of ROI in instructional design are to save time, save money, maintain consistency, greater information retention, evaluate investment opportunities, and lastly, to deliver personalized learning to programs. These are some ways that instructional leaders use return on investment to benefit their programs. One way that ROI is applied to education is by using evaluation models like the Kirkpatrick's evaluation model. This model is used to understand the outcomes of the program and how they are benefiting the program overall. Kirkpatrick's model is categorized in 4 levels. The first level being reaction. Reaction is used to understand the customer satisfaction and overall understanding of the program. Level 2 is learning. Learning is used to understand what the participants have learned throughout the program. Third is behavior. Behavior is used to evaluate the change in behavior based off of the knowledge learned within the program and how it has changed the participants. And lastly, level 4 is results. Results is used to find the final results and the outcomes of the overall program. This evaluation model benefits return on investment by allowing the evaluators to understand their overall current investment and give them an idea about changes in order to improve future programs. The Brinkerhoff success case method is used to focus on what has worked within a program. The success case method works in 5 steps. The first step is to evaluate the program to determine their interest and concerns. The second step is construction of a visual impact model. The third step is collect data about the possible outcomes. Fourth, conduct in-depth interviews about data and how it applies to the educational program. And lastly, the 5th step is to document and communicate the evaluation findings to the proper program leaders. This process is used by evaluators to quickly assess the current outcomes and aspects of the program that work. This benefits the ROI as it is a quick understanding of the current success or failures of a program and helps analyze a program in order to make efficient changes for the overall program. The models discussed are benefits of ROI by allowing program leaders to understand the costs and benefits of the program's current runnings. Issue belief states, by leveraging ROI to inform decision-making, institutional leaders can move towards more systematic evaluation of opportunities and initiatives that require investment and may have potential to move an institution towards its goals. Issue belief states this in order to share that while using ROI, it will allow educational leaders the opportunities to advance their institution programs and make changes to benefit their futures. Returning on investment brings forth the future outcomes of programs by understanding investments and opportunities before they occur. This allows for programs and businesses to calculate the consequences before actions are taken. Without ROI and instructional design, there would be an increase in trial and error, which would be costly and time-consuming. ROI minimizes broad and inefficient processes and allows for better understanding of today's instructional design methods. Here are the references used within this program